Hey everyone, a scene. You're cleaning out your old email inbox, and you stumble upon an email from Acorns. Hook, have you ever wondered, did I actually sign up for that Acorns account? It's a common question, especially if you've been using multiple online services. Today, we're going to dive into how to determine if you have an Acorns account and what to do if you do. Building context. Acorns is a popular micro-investing app that allows users to invest small amounts of spare change. Main content. Check your email. The first and most obvious place to look is your email inbox. Search for emails from Acorns. Look for confirmation emails, account statements, or any other correspondence. Tip: if you've changed your email address, try searching for Acorns using your old address. Review your banking records. Acorns typically withdraws funds from your linked bank account. Check your bank statements for any recurring charges or transactions labeled as Acorns. Tip: if you've closed your old bank account, you might need to request a copy of your transaction history. Search your device. If you've downloaded the Acorns app, it should be visible on your device's home screen or in your app drawer. Tip: if you've deleted the app, you can try searching for it in your device's app store. Use a password manager. If you use a password manager, it might have a record of your Acorns account. Check your password manager's database for any entries related to Acorns. Contact Acorns customer support. If you've exhausted all other options, the best way to get a definitive answer is to contact Acorns customer support. They can verify if you have an account and provide you with your account information. What to do if you find an account? Once you've confirmed that you have an Acorns account, here are some steps you can take. Review your investments. Check your investment portfolio to see what assets you're holding. Consider adjusting your investment strategy if it doesn't align with your current financial goals. Update your information. Ensure that your contact information, including your email address and phone number, is up to date. Review your investment preferences and make any necessary changes. Secure your account. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, to add an extra layer of security. Choose a strong password and avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. What to do if you don't find an account? If you can't find any evidence of an Acorns account, consider the following. Check your memory. Try to recall if you ever signed up for Acorns. Think about any promotions or advertisements you may have seen. Contact Acorns customer support. If you're still unsure, reach out to Acorns customer support. They can help you determine if you ever had an account. Conclusion. Now that you know how to determine if you have an Acorns account, you can take the necessary steps to manage your finances effectively. Remember, it's important to stay organized and review your accounts regularly. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.